Is that your present for Mimi?
Opening your birthday present. Wow.
She's excited. What is it?
Wow. Oh, happy birthday, Lucy. 3 of them? And a CD. Happy birthday. I'm more excited about the peanuts inside. You want to get in there and play? What is that? You want to get in? Here. Wow. Wow. Those pink peanuts? Can't eat them. Don't eat them.
Is that good?
Say happy birthday to Lucy.
Happy birthday, Lucy. Happy birthday, Lucy.
Oh, this is for me. This one's for Lou. It's a card from Mimi. Is that a baby on the card?
The baby?
Let's see what it says.
So pretty. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mimi.
Say thank you for my presents. I'm going to open them now.